Hey YouTube.
Good morning. We are having our last day here in Coron today, and we're
Last day in the Philippines too.
and we're finishing it off with an island hopping tour here in Coron. So we're super keen to check out all the sights today on the boat. It did just thunderstorm a little bit, so
A little bit, so much.
A lot.
It was really loud.
hope it's not too choppy, but we're looking forward to it.
Let's see how it goes.
Your leather. I get your leather.
This is Twin Lagoon. Very beautiful. There's a lot less tourists than El Nido, isn't there?
Yeah, much less.
Although we did leave 2 hours late, so maybe we just missed all of them, but it's just beautiful here. It's really like shimmery underwater, it's hard to see. And I wasn't sure if it was like gasoline, but maybe it's fresh water on the top and salt water down the bottom.
Really?
I don't know, they said the other lake was like that, and I'm thinking maybe the two don't mix real well. I don't know, but it is quite beautiful, isn't it? So this is Skeleton Wreck, and I think it's called Skeleton Wreck because the sides are like cut out and it looks a bit like a skeleton shipwreck. It's pretty cool though. There's heaps of fish here along the surface and stuff too.
And they swim up all around you.
Yeah, like right past your goggles and stuff. It's really cool.
So a fish literally just attacked me. I was swimming and it swam up to my stomach, and then it like swam off to the side, and then I kept swimming, and then I just felt it like dash and like bite into my foot. It like went to bite. I've got water shoes on, so like it couldn't bite me, but like it just ran into my foot to attack me.
How good was that?
Really cool. I'm not sure whether I've ever swum with a wreck before, like around a wreck. It was really awesome.
Lots of fish and stuff, and it was really cool like diving down and having a look at it. I'm loving it so far.
Yeah,
we took off quite late, like 2 hours later than we were meant to, but at the moment there hasn't been too many tourists, and the two places that we've been have been really beautiful, so off to a good start.
Yeah.
It's deeper than you think. So we've come to CYC Beach, and there's the Coral Garden here, so we're going to check it out.
I'm gonna go snorkel out there.
Do we
What?
look sexy? CYC Beach. The guy on the boat told us it stands for Coron Yacht Club. Apparently, I don't see any yachts though. It's beautiful, that. CYC Beach, everyone.
It's good.
Delivering the goods.
I want to icy poles are. Like those little, you get these icy poles that are like in like a plastic tube like this.
It looks like it's frozen inside a condom.
Yeah, it does look like that. I just want to say that. And it's yellowy white. You can make up your own mind about that one.
Lots of people are eating them, and
Look,
they
I
look
mean, don't be
delicious.
so rude. It's probably just banana.
And milk.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. It's important to have like swimming shoes on, because there's heaps and heaps and heaps of sea urchins everywhere, and you need to make sure that you don't stand on them. So
You look like a dork.
you look like a total dork. It's not very fashionable, and I should know. I know a lot about fashion, obviously. But I mean, it's worth protecting yourself. Monica has given up and decided not to swim anymore, and I need to get her back to the boat. The things I do for this one. You love me. That's right. Drones are here. Time to go.
Good life.
The good life. I told you so.
How do you open it? What do I do?
One into the knob.
Stop it.
How was it?
It's good. Mango classical.
Look at that, straight down. No splitting here, guys. See you later, CYC Beach. Where are we going now?
For a walk and then to the lake.
Kayangan Lake.
Apparently we have to have our life vests at this lake because it's 70% fresh water and 30% salt water. Don't really know what that means. So happy to be island hopping again. It's been a few days and it's just so good. Makes life so much better.
How you going?
It's not like last night's steps. Last night we climbed 700.
I think there's only about 200 here, like 160 or something, eh?
Nearly there. Looks beautiful.
There you go, Kayangan Lake.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Let's get in. Really, really cool. I've never seen anything
Yeah,
like that.
they're like cliffs
Underwater.
underwater, or mountains underwater or something. They're really, really cool.
Yeah.
And we found out why you have to wear life jackets. Because it's mainly fresh water, it's not as buoyant as salt water, which I think is not a problem to anyone who's a good swimmer. But they had 2 people drown here a while back, and I think from then they just went,
It's not worth
Nah.
it.
you have to wear life jackets, no free diving. The last lifeguard told us not to free dive, but it's really worth coming here to see those rocks underwater, and to go on the walk through the jungle and stuff to get here is just really, really, really cool.
It's amazing. I've never seen anything like the cliffs, like the rock formations underneath. It's kind of like an underwater world.
The baby monkey.
Hello. Another one. And another one. And another one.
There's heaps of
Yeah.
them. That was really cool. Little cave thing.
Super dark, hey?
Yeah, so dark. You wanna head back?
Yep. Back to the boat now. Do you know where we're going next?
No.
Probably not many more stops. I think we have 5 stops. And we've done CYC Beach, Big Lagoon, Twin Lagoon, Kayangan Lake, and
I don't know if Coral Garden counted as well at CYC Beach.
maybe. Or maybe there's a 5th stop. We'll find out in a minute.
Next time on Beyond Your Doorstep. This is the Coral Garden. We got it wrong last time. That was just coral at CYC Beach, but this is actually snorkeling. Are you getting bit by sea life? So itchy. They're racing to rain back.
Finished the tour now.
Back home.
It was really good.
Oh.
We made it back before the storm. We thought maybe today was going to be cancelled because it was thunderstorming this morning. But it didn't. It was beautiful weather all day. And
the entire 2 weeks were meant to be thunderstorming, and we had a little tiny bit this morning.
yeah. So
Pretty amazing.
Pull your decks up.
Okay, like that. But let's get the island in it.
Yep. Oh wait. Do you want you in it?
No.
Oh.